Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the difference between Python VENV, which is a built-in package within Python 3.3, and virtual ENV, which is a third-party tool or not part of the Python standard module. Okay, so let me just get this to the side, So what is the reason why we have to create virtual environment? So in this case, on a Windows PC. So the purpose is so that when we install packages like Django, we will not affect the Python interpreter from the global environment or the global Python. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why we need to install or to use virtual environments and using the module or package VENV or the third party one, which is virtual ENV. Okay, so let's set up VENV. So the command is python -m and the name of the module and the name of the virtual environment. So just copy and paste this command. So what's happening in the background is that Python is, it's creating an isolated Python interpreter. Okay, and if we do dir, we see that we have a folder called this. And we need to also, to activate it, this is the command that we need. So the folder, scripts, activate. And this is actually a command prompt. So this is the actual command. Okay, and now we see that myenv, the prompt changed to this. So from this prompt to this prompt. So now we see this myenv prefix. So that's how we know that, we have activated the virtual environment. So now everything, all the packages that, so all the packages that we install here, using the pip install will only be installed in the virtual environment or isolated environment, and we are not affecting the global Python interpreter. All right, so the next, let's talk about, well, actually, before we talk about that, let me just deactivate this. So this is how you deactivate the environment. Now let's talk about virtual ENV, which is, like I said earlier, a third-party tool, which means not a built-in package or module within the Python standard modules. Okay, so the command is, to install it, the command is pip install virtual env. So this will take a minute, and this is how you activate it. This is the command. So of course, this is the name of the package, and this is the folder. Okay, so enter. So we should see that prefix again at the beginning of the path. Okay, that's actually how you create the virtual environment, and this is how you activate it. So the folder scripts, same command with this, right? If you notice. So if I enter this, we should have this prefix. Okay, so again, all the packages that we install in this virtual environment will not affect the global installation of Python. All right, so to deactivate it, the same command we should use, which is deactivate. All right, so that's how I wanted to show you in this video. So again, the creating virtual environments is important so that we don't affect the other installations, packages that we install on this on the computer, and we will not affect the global installation of Python. So yeah, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.